Greetings everybody, and I humbly welcome you all to today's video. Today we're going to be making a very delicious recipe and a very yummy one, because today we're going to be making risotto with spinach and fresh cream. And the first ingredient is 20 grams of parmesan, 220 grams of rice for risotto, 1 liter of vegetable broth, 1 onion, some salt, 250 grams of spinach, and 50 milliliters of fresh cream. Now, I get a very large pan and I put some water in. Then you get the spinach that you have and you pour it in until it boils. Next up, I have got a pan and I have put extra virgin oil at the bottom, as you guys can see. I got the onion and I cut it up in little pieces and I put it in to cook until the color is golden. Now the spinach are boiling, I leave them to cook for 5 minutes. Now the 5 minutes have passed, I have drained the spinach so I can leave it to one side. Then, now that the onions have become golden, I can get the rice and I can pour it in. And then I keep the heat low and then I have to keep on mixing for 2 minutes. Now that 2 minutes have passed, we can get a soup ladle with vegetable broth inside, and 1 spoonful at a time we can put it in and start mixing. As you guys can see, the liquid has absorbed, so we can put another spoonful. Let's put some more. Keep on mixing. Now let's put 1 little spoonful of salt and mix. 10 minutes before the rice is cooked, you can put the spinach in. And you start mixing. If you want, you could get a spoon and you can try some to see if it needs more salt or if it is ready. I can add the parmesan and then I can mix. Normally, the risotto is cooked when you have finished all of the vegetable broth. Now, you can add the fresh cream and you can pour it in. And then you can start mixing and you can leave it to cook for about a few minutes. 1 minute after you have put the fresh cream in, you can switch off the heat and then you have to wait a couple of minutes until you can serve it. We have finally finished our wonderful risotto. I really hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much. Bye!